Hello, it's Alex here from wpeagle.com. Welcome to my office. This video is part of my WordPress Basics playlist, which is a collection of videos all about WordPress and kind of getting the fundamentals right so that you can then go on to develop your skills and build some really cool websites. In this video, what we're going to be doing is taking a look at text and formatting that very text, so adding things like bold or italics, headings and all those kind of things. So let's go and take a look at how we can format some text on WordPress. Okay, so I'm over at the vanilla website, which is at vanilla.wpeagle.com. If you want to take a look, it's not very exciting though. And it's just a plain install of WordPress with the standard theme, 20 something, I can't remember which one. One of the ones that comes with WordPress when you install it. Okay, so let's have a play with some text. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new page. So I'm going to go up here and click new and then page. And I'm going to call it testing out text. And we can use this as a play area to mess around with some text. Okay, so when it comes to styling text, you've got a few options that come with WordPress. And then obviously depending on the theme you use, there may be some other cool things you can do with text. If you really want to customize your text, change fonts and colors and stuff like that, that's a little bit more advanced. So what we're going to be doing now is just kind of styling it using the built-in styles that will be with your theme. So things like headers and bold text and stuff. So to start with, what I need to do is show some more buttons on here. So there's a little thing here called toggle toolbar, and it gives you a few more options. So the first thing is headings. So let's say this is a header or header, I don't know. I'm going to just do a couple here. And again, these will depend, as I said, on the theme you're running in terms of what they look like. On the front. So I've put some text in now. Now let's make them headings. So if I highlight the first one, then it goes to this drop down here, you can see here's how we set the headings. So that would be a heading 1. Now these headings, not only are they useful in terms of laying out text and making it look nice and organized, but they're also really good for SEO, because Google comes in and when it's reading the text on your page, and it looks for the headings to work out what the page is about. So if you use keywords within these headings, especially H2s and H1s, they'll be picked up by Google as important words regarding the page that it's looking at, and obviously that will then affect how you rank. So yeah, it's always a good idea to use headings from an SEO point of view. If you want to find out more about SEO, please have a look at my channel, and I've got a few videos all about optimizing your stuff. Okay, so let's save this page. So we've set our headings there using that drop down. Then if we have a look at the front, we can see here's our headings. So that's the name of the page, which is a H1 anyway by default on this theme. And then this is the first H1 that I added, which you see is the same size. Then they get smaller and smaller and smaller. And I say this will depend on your theme. Okay, so let's go back and try out some other text. Some italics. This is I keep forgetting the few words, and that's what it is. This is bold. So for these two, it's again quite straightforward. You just highlight the text, and then up here you've got the I for italics, and then the B for bold. There's also some other things like, I think, a strike through. So this is great for prices and stuff where you want to. How do you spell? Oh, I need an I. So again, highlight it, and it's this one here. So it puts just a line through the text. Again, yeah, good for sale prices, that kind of stuff, or if you want to scratch something out because it's changed. We've also got some different types of bullets. So again, bullets are great for when you're, talking about your benefits, or you just want to get information across in a really quick way. So again, for bullets, you highlight all of the text that you want to put into the bullets, and you've got two options. You've got a numbered list or a bulleted list. So bullets are like that. Let me just copy and paste this so I can do another one. So I'm just going to highlight it and press Command C on the Mac. It's Control C on the PC. Then I press Enter twice there to get out of the bullets, and then I'm going to paste. And I should change this one to the numbered one so you can see the difference. Okay, let's click update and see what we've got now. But as you can see, it's quite straightforward. It works very much like Microsoft Word and any kind of word processing thing. You just highlight text and then select what you want to do. So there's the italics, there's some bold, there's our strike through. Here's our bullets. So again, yeah, you've got the standard bullets, and then you've got the more ordered bullets with the numbers. Some themes offer even more bullet styles than that. So yeah. But as WordPress comes, you get the two. There's a thing here called the block quote, which is great for testimonials. So if you've got a bit of text or a quote from someone, you can just highlight it and then click the block quote. And let's have a look at that. So yeah, it kind of makes it stand out. And as I said, it does really depend on the theme what these things look like. So let's have a look at the last few styling options you've got. You can add a line if you need to. So I could add a line up here. That's this. The line is here, horizontal line. Good for, you know, separating out paragraphs, that kind of stuff. You can do some basic color changes with this one here. So, you know, you can make things red and green. And you can also indent text with these two buttons here, increase, decrease. So I could put that over like that. And that's pretty much it in terms of styling. Oh, and of course the old classic underline. That's the final thing. So let's just save this page and have a look what the finished product looks like with all these wonderful text styles. And so there's our green with the underline and the italic all on one. The red, you see they've got the indents coming on there, so they're sticking out a little bit. There's our line as well there. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you like what I'm doing, please click the like button. For more WordPress videos, check out my channel and please subscribe to stay up to date. And I will see you soon.